Okay. Yeah.
In between, actually, I have missed some topics to revise, sir. Some bank
Huh.
transfers like this. So, when can we have that?
So you try to do them, take the lab faculty support. Any problem,
Yes,
we can see, no problem. Yeah. You
yes,
try to do it, don't leave it. Okay. Yeah.
yes,
So what I was saying, we are in asset accounting now, guys. Asset accounting, and we are talking about transfer process. Okay. So why we do the transfer when we want to? Two reasons. No, why we do the transfer of the asset. What are the two reasons when we want to
Change.
change the asset class of the asset? Correct. Or
Split into
when
two
you
or
want to
more.
split the asset into two or more assets. Correct. Good.
Yes.
So, uh, hmm. so what it is like, we have change the asset class of the asset. Yeah. So now already we created this asset, na 3 lakh one asset. We created, right? Okay. Let
Yes,
me
sir.
check. Okay. To display the asset slash an AS02 3 lakh one asset we created. My company code is ZAPL. Okay. Yes, the plant and machinery is created. Now I want to shift from building class to plant and machinery class. See, right now all the value is in buildings class. Kada, what is that asset? 2 lakh 3, that building asset. 5
yes,
lakhs,
sir.
5 lakhs asset.
2,30,000.
2 lakh
Yes.
30. It is in, yeah, it is there. So this 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, this value is in buildings class. Correct. But I want to shift it from buildings class to plant and machinery class. Okay. So this is asset was by mistake, by mistake it was created under buildings class. Actually, it should have been created in plant and machinery. So we cannot change the number just like that, no? So we have to do the transfer process. Okay, go now slash an ABUMN. Go. Asset transfer within company code. Okay, document date, I am giving today's date.
Sir,
Excuse me,
once go back,
sir,
sir.
but the machinery class, whether can you show it creation, sir? 1 second, if you don't mind.
So first we create, first we have to create the master record for the plant and machinery.
Yes.
So we went to AS01, we give plant and machinery class, we went to master data, right? Press enter. We give like this plant and machinery 1, correct? And then we give the date, something like that. Yesterday we have, or fifth date we have given, depreciation area we have given, and depreciation key is the our key, useful life whatever 10, depreciation start date we give what is it, 4th 5th of April, na? Yeah, like that we have given. And then save. When I save, I got the plant and machinery number 3,10,000. First main asset we created. First main asset we created. Okay, right. So now this is already created. What is the number I got now? I got 3,10,000. Okay. Now I am transferring from 2,30,000. So in 2,30,000, 5 lakhs rupees is their value. This I want to move from 2,03,000 building asset to 3,01,000 plant and machinery asset. Okay. Right. Let's do that. So I am going to the T code. The T code is ABUMN.
MN.
Okay, come on, give 2,30,000. Okay, document date I am transferring on, I will transfer on 5th April, na? Because I created that only. Posting date also I will give 5th April. Then asset value date 5th April. This is the being the transfer of asset to another class. Are you transferring to? Transfer to existing asset or new asset?
Existing asset.
Existing one.
Okay, what is my asset number?
2 lakh. 3.
No, 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 no. This is not a transfer from.
Okay, 3 lakh
3 lakh
1 0.
3 lakh. Already master record we created?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
If
sir.
you have not created the master record, you can create master record here also. Understand? From here also you can create the master data. Yeah. But if the master data is already there, then you can select the master data from here. So you can select like 3 lakh 1 you can select. Is that clear? Good. Okay, no done.
We have created only master record, right, sir? We haven't acquired.
Acquired you are no, you don't have to acquire here. You are transferring, no?
Okay.
We don't acquire, na, here. We transfer, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, ma.
Sir, I joined late today.
Just follow ma. Yesterday's only same thing. I did not go any further. Yesterday we stopped, na. From there only I picked up. That ABUMN I was saying, na. This one we are seeing. So yeah, we stopped here, na, yesterday. So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing this. I'm transferring from 2 lakh 3 to 3 lakh 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No doubt. So you give your asset from asset. This is from asset. This is to asset. From to. Correct now?
Sir, here there is another option of new asset, no sir. So here also you can create a new asset name, sir. I mean number.
Yeah, rather than creating in AS01, here also you can create.
Okay. So both.
I will show you next when in the second option is there, na, splitting. At that time, I will use this option.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Now what I do, I will save it. Okay. So again, I will show you. You go to ABUMN. You give the from asset number from which you want to transfer. Then you give the document date, what date you want to transfer. I am transferring in the new year, 5th April. Value date also I give. Text I give, being the transfer of asset to another class. Existing asset 3 lakh 1. Yeah. Okay. Now press enter and then save it. Okay. You can simulate also. No problem. So it will come from this class to that class, all the transfer will be there. Na? You see 2 lakh 200 to 2 lakh 300. It is moving. Okay. This is okay. Fine. Save it now. Right. Asset transaction is posted. Okay. Now you see /n. If I go to AW01N /n AW01N, if I go AW01N, if I go, AW01, and if I go here, what is happening in the year 2025 now we transferred, right? Okay, some problem is there. Update was terminated. Just 1 minute. So maybe we have to post again, guys. This is not updated. Just let me try it once again. ABUMN. Okay, give the date. Asset value date on 5th, being the asset transfer, existing asset 3,01,000. Press enter. Yeah, save it. Okay, so now let me go to AW01N. Right, so if you go to the new year 2025, change year end, what is the value you see? 0 is correct. Retirement transfer, prior year acquisition, correct? Right, this is it. So here this is a depreciation posted up to, this is a last year depreciation up to 31st. What is this one? 548?
5 days
The
depreciation.
5 days step.
That is a 5 days depreciation. Is that clear? Good. So now if I go to my plant and machinery class, 3,10,000. From here it will pick up in the plant and machinery. Correct? From here it will pick up in the plant and machinery. Okay, fiscal year start, nothing was there. This year all the things have come. Net book value at the year end is this one. So posted values it will show correctly. Like your depreciation will be picked up in the new asset class. Like this. Okay, so this is for how many days? This is for probably 26 days. Other things are normal. Okay, so we transfer the asset from 2,03,000 to 3,01,000. Correct? So if you see in 3,01,000, we have the value. How much value is there? Net book value at the year end. After change, how much is there? 497,671 is the value. Whereas if you see 2,03,000, it will be 0, negated. Year end value, if you see 2025, it is showing 0 value. You see, net book value will show 0. Net book value is 548. That is yet to be posted. No? Depreciation we have not yet posted. No? Yeah, that we have to post. We have not yet posted no, for April month. Once you post, it will settle down. Okay, now. So
Sir.
that, yes.
Similarly, while we sell the assets, sir,
Yeah.
for that 4 days from start of April to 5th of April, we have to post the depreciation, right, sir?
Of course, yes, no?
Yeah. Why if we run in the 31st, that is AFBB, then it got green color here.
Yeah, if you run in 31st, repeat depreciation you have to do unless you have not closed the asset.
Okay.
Understand? If you have
Yes.
if you have closed the asset here, then you cannot do that. So all this repeat and all should be completed before asset closing.
Okay.
Is that clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next, second. What is the second option, guys? When we want to.
2 or more assets.
Okay. Second option. When we want to split the asset into 2 or more assets. Okay, now let us see some more asset, one more asset. What we have? We have 2,04,000 asset is there? 40. Okay, building 4 is there, na? When did we purchase this? Oh, we purchased it in 25 only.
So 25 only.
25 only, no problem. Okay, so now this I want to split. Okay, I want to split this building into 2 parts. Okay, suppose now my building is there. In that building, I want to separate it as commercial part separate, residential part separate. Right? So commercial, the taxes are high, power bills are high, So why would I want to have a big building coming under commercial? So what I am doing, I want to separate the building into commercial and residential. So from this 9 lakhs, I want to take like 5 lakhs into commercial, 4 lakhs into residential. Is that clear? Okay. So now the thing is, this building 4, the main thing, this I will keep it as commercial. Okay. This I will keep it as commercial. I will create another building 5, that will be residential. Is that clear? So I don't need to create 2 master records, no. I just need to create 1 master record. What I will do, existing building, I will make it as commercial. Then other part of it, I will make it as residential. Is that clear? Okay. So now what I do, I will create one asset master. Na? I will not create, because I told you, na, I will show you directly there. Na? Okay. So what I will do now, from this 9 lakhs, I want to send 4 lakhs to residential part. Okay. So what I do now, ABUMN, I will go. Okay. Now 2 lakh 4 building is there. Document date, I want to transfer. What date did I purchase that asset, guys? Third, huh?
Yes.
Okay, before the asset purchase, I cannot split, no? Correct or not? Before the asset is born, how can I split? First asset should be born, no? Yeah, 3rd April we purchased. Okay, no problem. We can split on 5th April. Okay, so what I do now, I go to ABUMN. Okay, now. So now what I am doing, I am splitting the asset on 5th April. Okay, let me split it on 5th April now. Asset value date, I will take this. Okay, now next. This is the asset split into 2 parts. Okay. So now my new residential part, is it ready?
No.
Did I create the master record for it?
No.
No. So what I should do now, new asset, and I will have to create, right? So what is this one? I will create something like
AGML building.
yeah. So ZAPL building 5.
Right.
Correct, na? Building 5, which is residential, na? Okay, so let me add this word. Okay, now which class it is belonging to?
ZAPL BUIL.
Build JDPL building.
BUIL, na? Correct. Okay, now press and click on the master data now. Click on the master data. Okay, now here click on the additional data. Note on. Click on the additional data.
So once go back, once close this.
Yeah,
Well-
one.
Yes.
Okay, I will show you from the beginning. So you go to ABUMN. Go to ABUMN. Give the asset you want to split. Give the document date you want to split. Give it like this. Asset value date you give. Text you give, being the sale of asset
Parts.
into 2 parts. Sorry, split of the asset. New asset you take, because master record not created. Now I am going to create the master record. Building 5 residential. Class is this. Okay, note.
Done, sir.
Okay, you click on the master data now. You click on the master data. Then you click on the additional data. Then you are creating, na? So this is my building 5 residential. Okay, capitalized on some date I take, 5th of April. Okay, then depreciation areas, depreciation key, ZAP1, useful life 10, depreciation start date, Start date is what date, guys? 5th, na? 5th. Okay. Okay. Right. So now save it, no? Okay, go back. You cannot save, no? You have to go back on. Everybody clear? Okay, I will go back now. Press enter. So you get the internal number. It will come. Once you transfer, it will come. What number I will get? 2,05,000. Correct or not? I will get.
Yes.
Correct? Yeah. Is it clear, everybody? This is the
Yes,
way
sir.
we do for if master record is not created, you can create here also.
Sir,
Okay.
if you don't mind, it is possible for you to show that from the additional data that is followed. I have to note it. From the additional data.
From the beginning, I have to do.
I see.
Okay, so you give the date. Give the asset value date. Text we take, split into two parts. New asset. Description you do. Asset class you do. Click on master data. Click on additional data. That's it. Master record screen has come. You
Okay.
give the capitalized date. Give the depreciation area. Depreciation key. Useful life. And depreciation start date. You give 5th April. And then go back. Here you cannot save. You just go back. Go back, it will come. And press enter. Go back. Press enter. Okay. Right. So now save it. Right? Save. So now how much I am transferring? Yeah, sorry, amount we did not give, na? Okay. So how much we want to transfer? Full amount or partial transfer?
Partial.
Go to partial transfer. How much amount you want to transfer to residential part?
4
4
lakhs.
lakhs.
4 lakhs. 5 lakhs will remain in building 4 only. Correct? Okay. So is it a prior year acquisition or current year acquisition? It is a current year, na? In 2025. Current year acquisition. So as per asset accounting, we are in which financial year now?
2025.
25. 24 we closed, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now save this. Save.
The 4 lakhs is
Amount
old
out from 9 lakhs, we are dividing into two parts. 5 lakh, 4 lakh. Okay.
4
Yeah.
lakhs is new asset or old one?
4 lakh is the amount we are sending to the new asset.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So you see, asset 2 lakh 5 created, right? Master record here only created. Correct? Yeah. Press enter. Done. Over. So what we have done here, guys, for our clarity. So we have one building asset is there. So we have one building asset is there. We have one building asset is there. 2,40,000 is the asset. In that rupees 9 lakhs was there. Right? What I did? I created a building asset, residential, na? Residential I created. That is my 2,05,050. Correct? I created. No? Right. Then what I am doing? Transferred what I did? Transferred rupees 4 lakhs from 2 lakh 4 to 2 lakh 5. Is that clear? Right. So how much is remaining in 2 lakh 4?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
Rupees 5 lakhs remaining in building 4. Building 4, that is 2,40,000. Is that clear? So
Yes.
yeah, so this is the residential, na? 2,05,000 is residential. Okay, so now what I do, I will go to AW01 slash an AW01. So in 2,05,000, how much value will be there, guys? 2,05,000, 4
4
lakh. Is that clear? So now it is tracked separately. So in 2,04,000, how much value will be there?
5
5
lakhs.
lakhs.
5 lakhs. You see, this is. So we have divided the asset into two parts. Is that clear? Yeah. So I will change this building name. How can I change the building name?
AS02.
AS02. Building 4, I will make it as building 4 commercial. Now it makes sense. Correct? So building 4 has become commercial, building 5 has become residential. Clear, everybody? That is. So this is what we term it as a transfer of the asset for splitting the asset into two parts. You can put it to 3 parts, 4 parts, whatever. Is that clear?
Sir,
Can
once
you
go
open
to
Notepad once?
Notepad.
Notepad, huh?
Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute.
Hello, sir. Is there any T code to extract the report of which are assets are active and which are assets are deactivated?
We need to see na, in the front end.
Okay.
You look here somewhere. If it is not there, just 1 minute. Should be there somewhere. Here in accounting, in financial accounting, in fixed assets, in that information systems, the reports in asset accounting,
Asset balance.
asset balances. Just check history you want, asset history. Some will be there somewhere. If it is, it should be here. Right? Check individual assets or asset balances, country specific, specific preparation for closing. Just check now, Google it, it should be there. Some, some kinds of S underscore, ALR underscore, those kind of things.
Okay, sure.
Right, okay, now. Yeah, Altab. Okay,
Good morning, sir.
good morning, good morning.
Right now I have joined, sir. Did I miss anything, sir?
We have completed the transfer process
Sir,
actually.
please, if you can.
Take the notes. Take the notes, no? This one. Yeah, this is it. Yeah.
Any other thing?
That's it. That's it. Only transfer only I complete.
Please explain for me.
Right. Note down this.
I am taking a screenshot, sir.
Yeah.
Ramadan is going on, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now transfer within the company code. Yeah. When is Ramzan actually?
It is going on, sir.
I mean,
Yeah.
1 day, sir, next 31st.
Yeah.
31st.
It is a Eid, sir.
Yeah.
Ramadan is going on, and
Okay.
it is Eid.
All right. Okay.
Means we are fasting for 1 month.
I know. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is just like as we did yesterday, na, same process. We go to ABUMN. You go to ABUMN and then you do the transfer process here. So we give the date. And we give date like this, and we whatever you want to do, you will. This is the date we give, and then here asset whatever you want to transfer, this asset will give here.
Okay.
So this is the from asset, this is the to asset.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now next one, I'm talking about. So, okay. So next, so this is the syllabus wise we completed, guys. Syllabus wise we completed. Now we are talking about asset scenarios. No? Some special scenarios I will cover, which are not there in your material. So write proper notes for these guys. Okay. Asset scenarios. So these are like something like we have scrap value. Okay, scrap value. Okay, right. So what is scrap value is considering the scrap value, considering the scrap value in depreciation calculation. Depreciation calculation. Okay, what is this? Now, see, okay. See, suppose there is a truck is there. Okay, truck. Now the truck acquisition value, acquisition value is rupees 6 lakhs. Okay, the life of the truck is 10 years. Okay, what is the depreciation rate?
10%.
Depreciation rate is 10%, no? 10%. Correct. So how much is the depreciation per year?
60,000.
Per year, how much it is? Rupees
60,000.
60,000. Per period, how much it is? Depreciation
So
per
5,000.
period. Per period is rupees. Correct. 12 months means 5,000. 5,000 into 12, 60,000. 60,000 into 10, 6 lakhs. Is that correct? Yeah. Now you tell me after 10 years, what is the value of this truck?
0.
Value of
Is
truck.
zero.
Value of truck in our accounts will be 0. But do you think it is correct?
No.
Sir.
No, truck will become 0. Huh?
No.
Even if you weigh it and sell in kgs,
Yes, sir.
you'll get some money, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So truck will become 0 really? Never.
No.
So it will definitely have a scrap value, right? That is. So now after 10 years, suppose you are selling. Yeah, you are selling it off. Yeah. You are selling. So when you are selling, you are getting some money, na? Suppose you are getting after 10 years, how much you may get? Probably you may get something like you are getting like 60,000. Yeah, you are getting like 60,000. Correct? Yeah. So then you are saying actually it is not 0. It is not 0. I thought it is 0, but is actually 60,000 I will get. Correct now? Yeah. Right. Yeah. So now this is wrong, right? You post excess depreciation, you post more depreciation all these months, and finally all these months and years, and finally at the end you say actually it is not 0, it is 60,000. Correct? Wrong, no? So rather than doing that, why not consider the scrap value before calculation only? Okay. So now this is without scrap value. All that I was discussing is without scrap value. So without scrap value, this is the situation. Correct. Without scrap value consideration, this is a situation we do. Now what I want to do, I want to consider the scrap value in depreciation calculation. Okay. So what I do now is, in the beginning itself, what I do with the scrap value. Okay, means what I do? From this rupees 6 lakhs, well, we deduct that rupees, scrap value, that is rupees 60,000. What is the 60,000? Scrap value we deduct. And what is the balance now? Balance, how much it is now?
5,40,000.
5,40,000. This will be depreciated over 10 years. Is that clear? Okay. So every month, every year, depreciation per year is how much now? Per year is
54,000.
rupees 54,000. Depreciation per period how much now?
5400.
4,500.
It is not 5,000, it is rupees 4,000. Agree? 4,500, huh?
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Uh,
4,500.
4,500.
Yeah, into 12, no?
Into
Yes,
12, sir.
So now after 10 years, what will be the value now?
0.
62.
Huh?
60,000.
Yeah,
60,000.
value of the truck will in our accounts will be, makes sense, no? You are leaving some scope for, taking the value correctly, right? So after 10 years, you may sell it for 60,000 or 80,000 or 50,000, doesn't matter. But making it 0 is wrong. Correct. You understood the concept, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we, instead of depreciating more and making it 0, after making it 0 again saying no, not 0, it is some value is there, it's not correct. Why not do it correctly from the beginning? Why not consider the scrap value in the beginning itself? Some
Sir, if
scrap
there-
value.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If there is any fluctuations in the scrap value, sir, for example, we have created with 5,40,000. We assumed that it's 6,000, but 60,000, but it's only 40,000. Then it will be difference in our account.
Yeah, correct. This is all estimation.
Mm.
The asset accounting itself is estimation. You said a 10 years life. Any guarantee is there?
No, sir.
Any
Use more than 10
guarantee?
years also sometimes.
Less than 10 years also. Human life, no guarantee, guys. Correct, no? Any guarantee for us?
No,
No.
sir.
No guarantee. Yeah. So I said this is all planning. 10 years I am planning. Correct, na? So after 10 years, see, we have two options. One, you can make it 0 and later on say no, not 0, 60,000. That one option. Second option, rough estimation. Oh, it can be 60,000, right? Yeah, rough estimation. Na? And then you say adjustments will be there. Loss on sale, profit on sale will be there. Na? Correct or not? If you sell it for 70,000, profit. If you sell it for 50,000, loss. That will come. Is that clear? That nobody can guess. How much you will sell in future, nobody knows.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? See, today you get a good customer, na? Innocent guy. You make profit. You get a very stingy guy, you make loss. That also dependent on that moment, na? Who you got, how lucky you are. Correct, na?
The value of the element also depends, no, sir. It's
Okay,
10
note
years
down.
before the iron was, I think, 32, sir. Right now it is 82.
Value of what?
Iron, sir.
Iron.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was 32. Right
Yeah,
now it
maybe
is
we will get 6 lakhs also after
Yeah.
10 years. Who knows?
Yes.
Scrap value itself may be 6 lakhs. Who knows? Probably, if you are lucky.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because the truck values also are increasing. No, sir.
Yeah. Sometimes it happens.
Yeah.
Possible. This is only our planning, guys. What best we can do to keep our accounts in line with reality. So in this during 10 years, you can do some adjustments also. Possible, na? Yeah.
Yes.
So the question in the interview is, there's the students generally, when this question comes, they think it is scrapping of the asset. I discussed loss on scrapping of asset. Correct? So am I talking about scrapping of the asset, or I am talking about scrap value in depreciation calculation?
Scrap value in
Scrap
different.
value in depreciation calculation.
Both are not same, na?
Yes.
There is lot of difference.
Yes.
So can you call it as residual values?
You can call, but he will use scrap value, na?
Okay.
Correct? Yeah. Because in the asset accounting, there is no residual value in asset accounting. There is only scrap values. The wording is scrap value. Okay? Yeah. So understood? So many students, when the interviewer asks, he is talking about okay, how we do, we want to consider the scrap value for depreciation calculation. Then the student will be talking about, yes sir, loss on scrapping, we can scrap, retirement without revenue. Correct? Retirement without revenue, go. That is not the case, na? We are not talking about retirement. We are talking about depreciation.
Sir, could you please show the notes from asset accounting 10 steps, sir?
Asset accounting 10 steps starting, huh?
No, sir. Till 10 steps only I have completed. I have taken screenshots, sir, but those got missed, sir. In material, it is confusing, so I could not do from there, sir. 10
Okay.
steps completed, sir. Asset accounting 10 step completed.
Sir, we noted.
Yeah, from here 11th onwards it is here. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm taking screenshots, sir. Yes, sir, please go down, sir.
This is just the theory.
Okay, sir.
Multi-level methods we will discuss.
Okay, sir.
And then we created two multi-level methods like that. That's it. Asset master record.
Okay, sir.
This in the middle, what happened was, unfortunately, we have a year closing is there. That's why we had to do the year closing part.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because we have April coming, na April 1st.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not.
Sir, for the
Yeah.
splitting of asset for me is showing is deactivated. The asset, particular assets is deactivated. It means is something is not possible to split, sir.
Depreciation area, it may be deactivated. Go to OAYZ, step number 8.
Okay.
And then activate your depreciation area for plant and machinery, right?
Yes, yes, plant and machinery. No,
Yeah.
building, the splitting, sir, splitting of the building.
So maybe
Deactivate the particular asset code is showing is deactivated.
already you have retired it.
Might
You
be,
cannot,
okay.
already it is retired, you sold it off again, you cannot split, no?
Okay. Might
That's
be,
it.
So ASW1, I have to check it.
Create another one, another asset.
Okay. Sir.
Okay, ma? Yeah, this is where we are right now.
Yes, sir. Today asset transfer.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay, right.
can you explain, sir,
Thank you,
today's
sir.
one second, sir.
Do it because we are in the middle. No, I discussed something, scrap value is going on. Now suddenly we cannot go back to other topic, right? You try to do it. Any problem, let me know. Okay, I will show you tomorrow. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Now, right, ma, right. So now scrap value. So there are two ways in which you can do it. So the scrap value can be given at two levels. Can be maintained at two levels. Okay, first one is the asset master record level. Asset master record level, that is one part. Second one is the cutoff value key. Cutoff value key at depreciation key level. In two ways you can do it. Right. Asset master record means scrap value is maintained for each asset separately. Okay. Here scrap value is maintained at depreciation key level which will apply for all the assets using the depreciation key. Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir, wait.
1 second, sir.
1 second.
Sir, are we doing here internal order creation topic?
Internal order will come in CO. Not
Okay.
now.
Okay.
So CO has to be set up first.
Okay, sir. Even cost center also, right?
Yeah, cost center and all that. It
Okay.
is coming in CO.
So now we are about to close the template.
We will close by the end of this week. We will complete asset account.
Sir,
Or with
after
this we
asset account,
complete FM module.
Yes, ma? Right, done, completed?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So understand here asset master record level means suppose I have 15 trucks. 15 trucks. This means every truck I have to maintain. Truck 1 this much, truck 2 this much, truck 3 this much, like that. That is asset master record level. But when all the trucks are same, why I should maintain separately? Correct or not? So I can say na 10% scrap value. Correct? So that 10% I will maintain at the depreciation key level. So what the system will do? From the truck value, it will deduct 10% set aside as scrap value. You understand? So you can maintain at asset master. Each asset you can go in the asset master, you can give the scrap value. That is one option here. Second option, why give in each asset master separately? You can give it at the depreciation key level. Okay, that is the second option. Right. So this will apply for only one asset. This will apply for all assets using that depreciation. Okay, right, I'll show you. See, if you are maintaining here, na, if you are maintaining in AS02, if you are maintaining in AS02, suppose this asset is there. Here, if you are maintaining in the depreciation area, here, if you are maintaining scrap value 60,000, understand? This will apply for only this asset. So every asset I have to maintain separately. Got it? That is. Second option what I have is I can maintain
depreciation
key level. Depreciation key level I can maintain.
ZAP.
Got it? There I can maintain. I can go to my depreciation key, that is ZAP1. So inside this I can maintain. Okay? Here we have a depreciation scrap value option is there. Scrap value considered by cutoff value key. So if I maintain cutoff value key, like ANHA, if there is a place where I maintain cutoff value key, and in the cutoff value key I will maintain the percentage. Right? So I give the percentage in the cutoff value key. Cutoff value key I will give in the depreciation key. Depreciation key I will give in the asset master. That is how it will apply. Okay? Yeah. So we'll see this tomorrow. We'll see this depreciation scrap value, how we will reflect in our assets. We'll see tomorrow. Asset scrap value. Okay? Right, guys. Okay, then thank you guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Yeah,
day.
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Thank you, guys. Everybody. Thank you.